Ever dreamt of being your own boss? Imagine waking up every day with the freedom to decide how you spend your time and energy. No more answering to someone else's schedule or demands. Well, here's why you should. Reason 1. Freedom. Being your own boss means you get to call the shots. You can work from anywhere, anytime. Be in control of your own schedule. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, you set your own hours. No more 9-to-5 grind. Reason 2. Passion. When you start your own business, you get to follow your heart and work on what truly excites you. Do what you love every single day. Imagine turning your hobbies and interests into a thriving business. Turn your ideas into reality. Reason 3. Growth. Owning a business pushes you to learn and grow continuously. Learn new skills and challenge yourself. Every day is an opportunity to improve and expand your knowledge. There's always room to improve. Reason 4. Impact. Make a difference. Your business can create jobs and support your community. Create jobs and support your community. Reason 5. Unlimited potential. The possibilities are endless when you're in charge. The sky's the limit for your income. Your earnings are directly tied to your efforts and creativity. Your hard work pays off directly. So why wait? The best time to start is now. Take the leap and start your own business today. You've got this. Believe in yourself and make your entrepreneurial dreams come true.